Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get acorns in grounded. First, you need to locate the giant oak tree, which is a prominent landmark in the backyard. Acorns are typically found scattered on the ground directly beneath and around the base of this massive tree. Keep an eye out for their distinct brown appearance among the grass and leaves. To successfully harvest acorns, you will need the right tool. A busting tool, specifically an axe, is absolutely essential. The most basic option is the pebblet axe, which you can craft early in your adventure. This axe requires 2 pebblets and 1 sprig to construct, making it accessible for new players. Higher-tier axes will break them much faster. Once you have your axe, approach an intact acorn lying on the ground. Equip your axe from your inventory and begin striking the acorn. Each large acorn requires several forceful hits to break apart into smaller, usable pieces. Be persistent, as it takes a few swings to crack them open. You will see visual cues as it starts to crack. After successfully breaking an acorn, it will shatter into several smaller components. You will primarily collect acorn shells and acorn tops from these broken pieces. These valuable resources are automatically added to your inventory upon contact. Acorn shells are particularly useful for crafting sturdy armor and constructing various base structures, making them a cornerstone resource.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.